Macrophages are present in all tissues. What is their role in inflammation?
Well, I guess they play a role in the initiation and the amplification and in the resolution phase. So it's an intimate part of the process.
Do macrophages contribute to innate and adaptive immunity?
Of course, because first of all, in innate immunity, they are phagocytic, they produce molecules that secrete and modify the environment, they influence every cell in their neighborhood. But when there's an adaptive response, they receive signals from the T cells and B cells, and they also promote the differentiation and survival of the lymphocytes and the emergence of Tregs, the regulatory T cells, and of course they interact with antibody as well in humoral immunity.
Is there more to learn about how and when macrophages diversity?
Not only is there more to learn, there's everything to learn. We know nothing about it. It's a mysterious process. As I said, it's a bit difficult to understand because it's so different to what T and B cells do, where you create a huge repertoire but in few cells which are then selected and amplified through proliferation. In the macrophage you have to have all the receptors present at some stage, and they have a much broader repertoire than T and B cells. They have no holes in their repertoire.
Yeah.